0. So the problem, class, is you solve for the value of x, or you solve for the solution of x, or you solve for the root of x. Is you solve for the roots of x. How will you do it with this problem or with this quadratic equation? First, you will think of method that you will use. I know the first method that you will do or you will think is by factoring. So you will try to get the factor of this quadratic equation. But if you will get the factor of this quadratic equation, it is hard. It's hard for you to get because this is 2 and this is 8. Okay? So if you will try, for example, factor of x squared, x raised to the power of x times x. Now, what's the factor of 2? We have 1 times 2. Okay, positive, positive, plus, plus. Okay, so apply for a method, x times x, the answer is x raised to 2. Then x times 2, outer, plus 2x. 1 times x, inner, plus x. And then last, 1 times 2, plus 2. Okay, simplify. We have here so combine similar terms, so x raised to 2, 2x plus x, you have plus 3x. And then copy, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you will, they are not the same, meaning this factor is not correct, meaning wrong. Okay? That is why, that is now the use of completing the square. We will complete the square of this equation for us to solve the solution. Muna natin si letter C dito sa equation. Paano mo siya tatanggalin? Ipunta mo siya sa kabila. You transfer it to the other side. So for example, this is positive 2. You transfer it to the other side, it will become negative 2. So it will x raised to the power of 2 plus 8x. And then blanco is equal to, you transfer positive 2, it will become negative 2. Ano galing si negative 2? Dito po. Ayun po siya mga kaibigan. Transfer lang po natin. Okay? So hindi siya nawala. Okay? Next, you complete the square of these terms. Okay? So x raised to the power of 2 plus 8x, half of 8 and square it. Meaning 8 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to negative 2. What you did to the other side, class, you do it also to the other side. Nag-plus tayo ng plus 8 all over 2 to the second power. So gawin mo rin dito. Meaning plus 8 all over 2 to the second power. Nakakaalam nyo na, 4 is to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Kaya mayroon tayong 16 dito. Is equal to negative 2. So nasimplify na natin to. Alam natin na ito ay 16. Kaya isulat na lang natin plus 16. Okay? Simplify further. Power of 2 plus 8x plus 16 is equal to negative 2 plus 16. This is addition. Addition, but they are different sign. Kapag magkaiba yung sign, different sign, you just subtract them and then get the sign of the greater number. So, i-minus lang natin, you subtract. 60 minus 2 is 14. Ano yung mas malaking sign? Mas malaking sign yung 16.
16.
It is positive. So, ano yung sign niya? Positive. Kaya positive 14. Next thing to do is, we factor. Okay, we factor this one. Okay? So, what's the factor? Factor of x raised to the power of 2 is x times x. Sulat natin dyan. Next is the factor of 16. 4 times 4. And then because it is addition, addition, positive, positive, plus, plus. X plus 4 times x plus 4. This is now the factor. But I am not sure if my answer is correct. So 4 is the factor of this equation. How will you combine them? Because they are both the same. So it is x plus, di ba kapag x times x, magiging, pag i-combine mo sila, x times x magiging x raised to the power of 2. Di ba? Same here. Okay? So x plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Kinumbine lang po natin. Is equal to, don't forget, meron tayong 14 dito. Is equal to 14. Okay? Now, how will you solve for x? Okay, tanggalin mo yung naka-raise to the power of 2. Di ba yung ginagawa natin kapag x raised to the power of 2 is equal to 81? Anong ginagawa natin? Tinatanggal natin yung exponent. Okay? We take out the exponent. How will you do it? By the square root thing. If you did a square root thing here to the left side, you did also to right side. Pag sinampal mo sa kabila, sampalin mo rin sa kabila. Okay. Next, x raised to the power of 2. The square root is cancel. Kasi ang sagot dyan is x is equal to the square root of 81. We have 9. Okay. So same here. Yan din ang gawin mo dito sa x plus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 14. Okay? Square root. And then square root. Cancel. Naiwan si x plus 4 is equal to the square root of 14. Okay? Next. Positive 4 to the other side. You apply APE, which is addition property of equality. Okay, so you transfer positive 4 magiging negative 4. X is equal to the square root of 14 minus 4. Ganun po siya, kaibigan. Okay, so that's it. Now, 3.74. Okay, minus, don't forget this one, minus 4. So x is equal to 3.74 minus 4. Don't forget, in getting the square root or the roots of any quadratic equation, you get the positive and the negative value. So in here, like for example, this one, x is equal to the square root of 14 minus 4. So that is the positive value. Now get the negative value. Okay? So meaning, you get the positive, you get also the negative. Okay? So if this is the positive, which is equal to negative 0.26, you get also the negative 1 or the minus. So x is equal to negative the square root of 14 minus 4. Always. And the negative. Next, x is equal to negative the square root of 14 minus 4. Okay, so x is equal to negative the square root of 14 a while ago. It is minus 4. Okay, square root of 14 is 3.74. Negative 4, ito siya. Now, simplify further. 3.74 plus 4. Pinalitan ko lang yung negative at negative. Yung minus, pinalitan ko. What's the answer here? 3.74 or positive 3.74 plus 4. The answer is 3.74. Paano pag pinalitan natin itong addition na ito? Negative. Ito siya. So kung positive yung sagot mo dito kanina kasi positive ito. Pero pag negative silang parehas, pinalitan ng negative. Meaning, dito, negative 3.74 minus 4. Meaning the sign is add them. 3.74 plus 4, we have 7.74. Okay, so the first value of x is negative 0.26. The second value is negative 7.74. Now, interpret. Okay, therefore, the value or the solution, negative 7.74. That is the interpretation. Thank you very much.